Add half cup sugar in a mixer grinder and make it into fine powder. Transfer it into a bowl. Add half cup ghee and half cup curd to the bowl. Now blend it to a fine paste. Add vanilla essence to the mixture. Now in a bowl, add 1 cup maida, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a pinch salt, half teaspoon baking soda, and sieve it. Now mix both the wet and dry ingredients using cut and fold method. Now preheat a karai in medium flame for 5 minutes. In the cake mold apply ghee and dust some maida. Now add the batter to mold. Place the mold in karai. Tightly cover and cook for 35 to 45 minutes on medium flame. Let it cool down completely. Thank you for watching.